This is the unboxing and review of the Portronics Multimedia Wireless Keyboard and Mouse named as Key2 Combo. This combo pack can be a good option to consider for all your work needs. Available with a minimal design and high precision. It is ergonomic, allowing for easy navigation. It is made out of good quality material and the button clicks are really smooth. If you want to buy a premium quality portable wireless multimedia keyboard and mouse, then this video is only for you with a reasonable price. Stay tuned and watch the video till the end. This is the box pack of Key2 Combo from Portronics, which is a premium Indian brand, offers innovative, trendy, affordable electronic gadgets. This keyboard can withstand more than 1 core key presses and mouse bears more than 30 lakh clicks. Highlighted features of these products are 2.4 GHz wireless, silent button design, multimedia shortcut key functions, intelligent energy saving design, wireless technology up to 30 meter, chocolate keys, more comfortable keycaps. Backside of the box pack, highlighted features has been written once again. These are stable wireless transmission, the ultra smooth chocolate keycaps, quick multimedia buttons, 5 times more power saving than ordinary devices, silent button design. Now, mouse specification. Resolution of the mouse is 1500 dpi and the mouse key life is above 3 millions. Keyboard specification also has been written here. Data transmission up to 1 Mbps. Keyboard key life more than 10 millions. Price of the product also has been written here. MRP 1499, but I have got this product only at 1000 around. Now let's reveal the innovative trendy keyboard, and here it is. You see what a good looking keyboard, a portable effective keyboard which instantly enhances the look of your workspace also. 1500 dpi noiseless mouse. Let's have a closer look on the mouse. It is written here, the model number PR373. Input 1.5 volt 11 milliampere, which is really energy saving and with good ergonomic trendy design. Some documentation. If you want to know about this product, you have to go through these manuals carefully. Let's see the innovative and portable keyboard. Portronics branding is there. Caps lock notification LED, low battery indication LED. This is the long space bar. All keys are present except the dedicated numeric keypad. The length of the keyboard is approximately 29 cm in length and 14 cm in breadth. 2 foldable stands which you can fold and unfold according to your wish. 2 other slightly elevated linear portion. Written keyboard specification with Portronics branding. This is the battery compartment for double A size single battery. Company claims that industry top chip gives you 5 times more power saving than ordinary devices. Keyboard goes to sleep mode when it is not in use after a predefined time. To activate the dedicated function key, press and hold the function button, then press dedicated F1, F2 or F3 keys for accessing multimedia shortcuts like volume up and down, play, pause and etc. These mouse clicks are nearly silent due to its silent micro switch design, no LED light. It is fueled by AA size single battery. It also goes to sleep mode after a predefined time when it is not in use and saves energy. This is the nano dongle, connects the mouse and keyboard with computer through 2.4 GHz wireless technology. Provide reliable connection up to 30 meter. This nano dongle we have to insert in any USB port of the computer. Mouse and keyboard then and there will be connected wirelessly through it. This was the successful connection tone. I have kept the microphone very close to the keyboard and mouse so that you can hear the clear and crisp button clicks. Mouse is also connected with the computer via the nano dongle and working fine and effectively. Listen the sound of mouse wheel button. Now listen the sound of random clicks on the keyboard. Observe carefully, the right mouse button and the left mouse button are working fine. When the caps lock will be switched on, the green notification LED will glow for a few seconds and then automatically switched off for saving the battery power. Buttons on the keyboard will work only when the computer is switched on. Otherwise, the keyboard will go into the sleep mode, that is the intelligent power saving mode. You can see here buttons are not working because the computer is now switched off. Now for the mouse power saving mode. Watch carefully. Cursor is moving due to the wired mouse only here. See, portronics mouse is in now sleep mode. It will start working only when you click any of the mouse buttons left or right, you see. Now come to the multimedia function keys like play, pause, volume up, volume down, mute. You can activate by just pressing and holding the function key and with the desired key like that. Thank you for being with us. Don't forget to like, share my videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.